Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog. I am vlogging my vanity process. I'm in the process of updating my vanity, and of course, just like any other YouTube, I want the IKEA inspired Alex drawers. I think that's what they're called. So that's what I'm building. As you can see in the back, that's one box that's unopened that I haven't built yet. I have built one. I went to Michael's earlier today. I should have vlogged it, but I forgot. I went to Michael's earlier this morning and I brought these. If you're looking for it online, it's called letterbox drawers. So that's what I brought. I already built this one. I started at 1 o'clock. It is now 3:30. So this is what I built. Right there. It's 5. You can pull them out. Some of them is still kind of new, so yeah. I forgot to put one thing on there that I know to make the pushing work better. I put the wheels on it, so I'm in the process of building that for my vanity. I will probably vlog when I go to Home Depot either today or tomorrow because I need to buy the board to actually sit stuff on the vanity. So yeah, I'll have to vlog that. My old vanity, I'm gonna show you. It's right here. This is my old vanity. It's very small and it lacks drawer space because the only drawer I have is this one that I keep my lashes in, and then I have that shelving unit, the clear one that everybody used to have just for like lipsticks and other stuff. But I do need more space, so I'm in the process of moving that stuff to this stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, it's taken a long time because I'm tired now. I already built one. I need to go eat. It's now 3:30. I need to eat so I can build the other one, so I won't be here all day doing my vanity. So yeah, that's what I'm in the process of doing. As I mentioned before, we are moving. So with the move, I want to do a full room remodel into the new room. So I kind of have an idea because I've been watching some like DIY decor videos and stuff like that. I kind of have an idea of what I want my room to look like. I want a combination of white and rose gold and pink, because I love rose gold and I love pink, so I want to incorporate all that. So yeah, I'm in the process of doing that and remodeling my room and getting the stuff that I need. So this is just one step. There's a couple more steps. I have to buy the bedding that I want. I have to buy a whole new furniture actually, so I can put my clothes in. Another little shelving unit because I have some stuff that I need to put in more, like I need more shelves and organization. So I'm in the process of doing that, and I also need to clean out stuff that I don't use. So yeah, right now I'm about to go to Chipotle, and then I'm gonna come back. I think I'm gonna eat there. I'm gonna eat my Chipotle, come back, and then I'm going to finish the second sorry, it's not the Alex drawer, the second letterbox drawer. I'm gonna finish that one, and then I'm going to go to Home Depot. I'll probably vlog that process because there's a Home Depot right down the street, so I vlog going there, picking up the board, telling them what I need, blah blah. And then I don't know if I'm gonna, because I'm filming on my iPhone, so I probably have to just show what I'm doing bit by bit, so it won't be like too categorized, because right now I'm at 3 minutes, but who knows. So yeah, I'll be back with the second half, or yeah, I'll be back after I eat, and then we'll build the second one together, and then we'll go to Home Depot. So okay, yeah. I'm at Chipotle right now. I'm actually gonna eat here. So yes, walking in, about to get me a bowl and some chips and some water. I got a chicken bowl, guacamole. I got fajitas on the side and hard tortillas and the pepper chipotle sauce. Okay, so I am back inside from Chipotle, and I don't feel like setting up my tripod to put my iPhone on it so you can watch me record it. So I'm just gonna come back and forth bit by bit while we make the second one. Hopefully, the first one, it took me, I started at 1, I didn't finish till 3:20. So hopefully this one doesn't take me long, since I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm looking for, and I know how it should go. So Hopefully, it's 5 o'clock right now. I'm gonna check back in at 5:30. See, not 5:30. I'll say 6 o'clock. I'll check back in an hour to give you progress to see how I'm going. Hopefully, by 6 or 6:30, I should be done so we can go to the Home Depot so we can get this project moving and grooving. I don't know if I told you the theme I want for my room. If I did, I'm gonna say it again. The theme I'm looking for is like a white, rose gold, and pink, because I feel like rose gold and pink will go good together. And if I can't find too much rose gold like decor, I might just stick with white and gold and then throw accents of pink. I think that will also be cute. But overall, I really like pink. Pink is my favorite color, as you can see. Like my bedding, pink, 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 pink. There's a lot of pink in my room because pink is my favorite color. I like the way gold looks on me, and I like the way rose gold looks on me. So I figure if I can incorporate one of those and then accents of pink, but not that hot pink, I would have to change like how all this is how all this is rearranged. So I'm gonna be selling a whole bunch of stuff like on Facebook or Craigslist, because I want it to kind of be like a rosy pink, so it can go good with either gold or rose gold. So I'm gonna try to do like corporations of that. So yeah, I'll be back at 6 o'clock. It's officially 4:59, so I'm gonna get this going and come back at 6. Hopefully I'm done. If not, pray for me. Okay, I just finished building the second one. So first one, second one, and the time is 6:18. So I did finish it under an hour. Well, it was like an hour and 20 minutes because I knew what I was doing and I knew what I wanted to do first versus just following the instructions. So now I'm going to go to Home Depot and buy the board. So for the board measurements, I'm pretty much going to go off of YouTube. I know this is 15 by 7 up top. So I know I'm going to do 15 by 7, but I don't know how long I want the actual board. I don't know if I want it like 7 inches or like 6 inches, but I want it pretty long because I do want a lot of storage space, like, well, not a lot of storage space, but enough storage space up top. And I do want room to put a little chair in between, because I do have a chair right now, but it's not a chair, it's kind of like an ottoman. So I want to buy like a clear chair to sit and do my makeup, because I do love sitting and do my makeup. And it will be easier to film videos if I have a lot of space in between, so I can just put my tripod up there and then just record like that. So I'm going to continue vlogging while I go to Home Depot. I'm not going to vlog in the car because I don't have a stand and I don't want to be on my phone like that. The Home Depot is probably maybe 5 minutes from my house. So yeah, it's finished. I will be back at the Home Depot. I made it to Home Depot. So I took a screenshot of the board I want. I'm gonna link the video in the description of the video that I'm referencing at, the whole video, because she really gave me some good ideas and some good tips that I want to use. So yeah, but there's like hundreds of videos out there of how to shoot a vanity. So since this is my first vlog, I feel so weird walking around the store with like a camera out, like, and people looking at me like so I don't really know where I'm going because I don't go to the Home Depot. So just looking for boards. Okay, so I'm at Home Depot. I actually found what I wanted, but they do not have it in the size that I want by the 4x4. And then the size that they do have is 35.5 by 3/4. So this is way too small. So I'm gonna have to go to another Home Depot, it looks like, so I can finish this project today. So actually, I'm gonna have to finish this project tomorrow, it looks like, because the nearest Home Depot is not, well, it's near me, but it's like maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes away, and there is traffic. So Friday, when I get off of work, since I'll be near a Home Depot, I think I'm just gonna finish vlogging and then finish getting what I need on Friday so I can finish making my vanity. So there's that. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do when I get home is take the stuff off my old vanity and just sit it on top of the new shelves that I got, so I can put that little office table on like a Facebook or a Craigslist to sell. So I'll be back. Today's Wednesday. The vanity should be finished by Friday. So I'll be back in 2 days with the finished product of my vanity. So this video won't be uploaded till Saturday night because I work Saturday morning too. So I have to finish editing it Saturday night. So it'll go up sometime Saturday once everything is edited, and then I will, at the end of the video, I will show you like what my vanity looks like now. So throughout the week, well, not the week, throughout these 2 days, I'm gonna buy like not a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna take a look into Five Below. Oh, I'll just vlog too. So this should just be a vlog fixing my vanity. I'll just do that. So I'm gonna go into Five Below probably Friday because I work 8 to 4, so I can get the little plywood or whatever it's called, and then I'm gonna stop into Five Below, and I'm gonna stop into the Dollar Tree so I can just put my whole vanity together. So at the end of the video you'll see what my vanity looks like now and blah blah blah. So what I'm gonna do, I should have got some spray paint. I'm gonna have to go to the dollar store. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go to the dollar store and see if they have some spray paint, because I'm gonna spray paint that mirror that's in the back, how it was black. I'm gonna spray paint it gold. That would be really pretty. Okay, so right now I'm about to go to the dollar store. So I called around to see who sells spray paint. So I'm on my way to Dollar General because my Dollar Tree, I guess, does not sell spray paint. I wonder if I can plug my phone in and play music while I'm video recording. Don't know. Oh, I forgot to put a disclaimer. Excuse the way I'm looking. I'm looking kind of rough, but I didn't have to work today and I didn't have school today, so I'm like, I've been just watching videos and videos and videos about vanity DIY. So I'm like, let me just get this over with and done with. I hate when I'm like constantly watching something and I know that I want to do it, and then like I'm just like sitting there waiting to do it. So I'm just like, let me do it. I'm a big procrastinator, so when I want to do something, I'm just gonna do it. Like, that's just kind of person I am, because I suck at procrastination. So I just need to do this all once and get it all over with so it can be done. I'm kind of mad that the board, matter of fact, I'm just gonna go get the board right now from Home Depot, because I keep talking about it and I just want to finish the whole project today. I was about to turn and go to Dollar General. I'm just gonna go to another Home Depot and see if they have it, and then if not, I'm gonna go to Lowe's and see if they have it. So I'm about to look up the closest Home Depot to me right now. I'm gonna go to Home Depot, Lowe's to see who has this board, so I can just finish it all today, because I know if I don't finish it, my room also is like kind of tiny, but we're in the process of moving. So if I don't like move it out, I'm just gonna get really frustrated because I'm gonna keep looking at it, and then I don't know if I'm gonna have time to like finish it. Well, I know I have time to finish it, but I don't know if I want to finish it. Like today I'm in the mood to finish my vanity, so I'm gonna try to do it all today. Of course, the decorations on the vanity won't be what I want it to be, but at least my whole vanity will be done. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm on my way to Home Depot. Like I said before, I'm about to Google search a Home Depot close to me, get this out the way, and then the next time you'll see me, I'll be at home. Hopefully I have the spray paint and the board. So wish me luck. Okay, I have finished the vanity, so this is what it looks like. If you're wondering why I left this part that brown color, is because I'm gonna put the marble like wallpaper or whatever on it, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that because I'm gonna do that marble. I only filled the top first two on both sides because I still need to do shelf liners so the shelf won't get dirty. But this is what it looks like so far without like any pure decoration on it. It looks kind of bland, but I'm not bland, but I'm still working on my vanity. So this is just how to and whatever, kind of like a impromptu vlog that I just put together of my vanity. So this is what it looks like. It does have a little spot in between. They didn't have this board in store, so he actually had to cut it. That's why it's not a precise fit, but I could just move this over a little bit because it's on low, so to make it even. But I'm not too much worried about it because I've been working on this since 1 p.m. and it's now 8:33, so I'm kind of tired. I kind of just threw all the stuff on here, but yeah, this is what it looks like for the most part. I still have more stuff that I need to put in the drawers and up here because it's looking kind of empty. But yeah, for the most part, this is what it's gonna look like until I get more organized. But so far so good. I do have a lot of storage. That's what I really wanted, so I'm glad that I put this together. So stay tuned for another video. The next video will probably be I'm gonna do a review on the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So yeah, thanks for watching.